Minsan Laguna, Rai Rai by 88 guys, followed by Makong Dimata. Rai Rai by 88 first position, followed by Makong Dimata, followed by BJW and Clark Janabaraba. Rai Panag nasa huli. Rai Rai by 88, Makong Dimata, BJW, Abar-abar. Grabe guys, malikabok na kasi ngayon. Abar-abar versus BJW. Lumilipad yung mga expert dito guys. Ito guys, Rai Rai by 88 lumalayo na kang Makong Dimata. This is the first hit BJW. Rai Panag nasa huli, si Rai Panag guys. Kung wala ka pa naka-follow sa aking Facebook page or sa YouTube channel guys, please follow para updated ka sa mga ganitong event sa Philippine Motocross. And also to keep update sa mga riders na idolo nyo. Kaya dito ni Rai Rai by 88 na nasa first position and Makong Dimata na nasa second position. Lumilipad na si Rai Rai guys, pati si Makong Dimata. BJW and Clark Janabarabar battle for third position. Nasa likuran na niya si Abar-abar guys. Here's Rai Rai by 88 sa first position. By the way, these two riders guys are sa first and second ay riders ito ng Martis Racing. Oh, bar to bar. Ito na. Dablo, Abar-abar. Hinahabol niya si Kwan guys ha. Si Dablo. By 88 flying. Also Makong Dimata. Battle for third position. BJW and Clark Janabarabar. Abar-abar in the fourth position guys ha. That's it. This is the expert open first hit sa Bangon Bukidnon guys. This is Rai Rai by 88 first position, Makong Dimata. Oh, eto na, nagit-gitan yung dalawa. Rai Panag guys, nahuli si Rai Panag. Bad start kasi siya. Rai Rai by 88 lumalayo na sa kang Makong Dimata na nasa second position. Rai Rai by 88 pa rin guys, followed by Makong Dimata. These both riders are riders of Martis Racing Team. Rai Rai by 88 with his Honda CRF 450R. Makong Dimata with with a TX 450. Oh, what a battle. Oh, abar-abar na yung nasa third position, guys. Nakuha na niya pala si BGW. Raya Ipanag, nasa likuran na siya ni BGW. So the first to third position, guys, occupied na ng Martis Racing Team. Ito na. Dablo, Raya Ipanag. Raya Ipanag slowly lurking in the back of VJ Dablo. By the way, Rai by 88, guys. Ang layo na. First position. Iba talaga pag Honda. Wow. Pina-whip, guys. By the way, guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Baungon, Bukidnon para sa kanilang, munti ka na. Nandito tayo ngayon sa kanilang araw ng Baungon, Bukidnon, guys, para sa kanilang event ng motocross competition. Ipana, ginahakon niya si BJW. Rai by 88. So, bilipad si Rai, guys. Itong dalawang ito, maintaining the lead. Rai by 88, Pride of Lantapan, Bukidnon, with the first position. Oh, Makong Dimata, Pride of Libuna, Bukidnon. Also, rider from Martis Racing. Rai by 88. Abar, also a rider of Martis Racing team. Ipanag and Dablo battling for the position. Hindi hinayaan ni Dablo na maka-surpass si Ipanag sa kanya. Third position, abar-abar. Second si Makong, guys. First si Bait-It. Dito na si Bait-It, guys. Oh, napakalayo na niya. Rai Bait-It. Makong Dimata. Oh, what a whip. Rai Bait-It. Abar-abar. Rayo and VJ Dablo. Battle for fourth position, guys, ha. Fourth position si VJ Dablo, followed by Rayo Ipanag na nasa last position. Ito na lang aparabar, VJ Dablo, Rayo Ipanag. That's it. First si Rai by 88, second si Makong Dimata, third si Abarabar, fourth si VJ Dablo, at fifth si Rayo Ipanag. That's it. That's the expert open first seat.